can you believe there's a bird smaller than your pinky finger? Meet the bee hummingbird, officially the smallest bird in the entire world. Not one of the smallest, it's the tiniest ever discovered. It measures just 5 to 6 centimeters long and weighs less than 2 grams. That's lighter than a paperclip, even lighter than a single sheet of paper. Blink and you might mistake it for a bee buzzing around the flowers. Its wings beat over 80 times per second, allowing it to hover in place, fly backward, and even rotate mid-air, all while sipping nectar from flowers with surgical precision. And to fuel this high-speed lifestyle, it visits over 1,500 flowers a day, constantly feeding because every flap of its wings burns serious energy. Found only in Cuba, the bee hummingbird may be tiny, but its role in nature is huge. It's a key pollinator, keeping ecosystems alive and blooming. So remember, even the smallest creature on Earth can have the biggest impact.